Next, tetrapoda. Tetrapod means tetra means four, poda means limbs or legs. These tetrapods have four limbs. Tetrapods have four limbs. Four limbs. The principal respiratory organs in tetrapods are lungs. The principal respiratory organ in tetrapods are lungs. These are the first terrestrial organisms. Tetrapods are first terrestrial organisms. Tetrapods lives in water, land or amphibious mode of life. Tetrapods, the mode of life in tetrapods are aquatic, land or amphibious mode of life. Tetrapod has four classes. These are amphibia, reptilia, aves and mammals. These are the four classes of tetrapods. First, amphibia. Amphibians are derived from osteolipids. Osteolipids are fishes. Amphibian ancestors are osteolipids. The golden age of amphibians are Carboniferous period. Carboniferous period is the golden age of amphibians. Amphibians are aquatic and land. Amphibians are first to come out from the water. Amphibians are first to comes out from the water to land. First to land organisms or animals. First to land animals, first to walking animals. These are first to walk on the land and first organisms come from the water to land. These are amphibians are partial land organisms, partial terrestrial organisms. These are not completely terrestrial organisms because they depends on the water. Amphibians are depends on the water for development and reproduction. Amphibians depends on the water for their reproduction and development because the egg of the amphibian is not covered by shell. Shell helps for the protection of egg and prevent the evaporation of liquids in the egg from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. So these organisms, shell is absent in amphibians. So these liquid present in the egg is evaporated by the ultraviolet rays of the sun. So These depends on the water. Amphibians depends on the water for their reproduction and development. So these are partial terrestrial organisms. Partial terrestrial organisms. Class Amphibia has three orders. Three orders. These are Apoda, Urodela, Anura. Anura. These are three classes. Apoda also called Sicilians. Sicilians are blind worms. Sicilians are blind worms. Urodela are chordata. Examples: salamanders. Salamanders. Anura are Salientia. Anura are Salientia. Example: frog or toads. Apoda. A means absent. Poda means legs. Legs are absent. So these are called apoda. Sicilians are blind worms. These are blind worms. Urodela. Euro means tail. Chorda means tail. These organisms has tail. Example: salamanders. Next, Anura or Salientia. Salientia means leaping organisms. Example: frog, toads. These are the orders of the class Amphibia. Next, general characters of amphibians. Habitat. These are amphibious mode of life. Amphibious mode of life. They are present on land or in fresh water. Fresh water. Next, body. Body is divided into two regions: head, trunk. Body is divided into head, trunk. Head, trunk. Tail may be present or absent. Tail present in larval amphibians, larval frog. Tail absent in adult frog. Tail present in larvas, tadpole larvas and urodales. Next, skin. Body is covered by skin. Skin has soft. Skin is soft, scaleless, glandular and moist. Skin is soft, scaleless. Scales are absent in amphibians, but scales are present in apoda. In apodals, scales are present. So scales covers the eyes in apodals. So these are also called blind worms because scales cover the eyes. Scales cover the eyes. Glandular. Skin contains glands. In fishes, skin also contains glands. In fishes, glands produce mucus. This mucus helps for the viscous drag. Viscous drag means it helps for the prevent the attachment of water molecules on the body. So it freely moves in the water. Glands helps for the moisture of the skin. Moisture skin helps for the exchange of gases. Next, skeleton. Endoskeleton. Skull is dicondylic skull. Skull is dicondylic skull. It means skull contains two condyles. These two are, it is condyle. Two condyles are called dicondylic skull. Two condyles present in the skull. This skull is called dicondylic skull. In fish, monocondylic skull. Dicondylic skull present in frog, amphibians and mammals. Dicondylic skull present in amphibians and mammals. Monocondylic skull present in fishes, reptiles, aves. Next, centrum. Vertebrae is Procellus, Opisthocoelus, Amphicoelus. Vertebrae types are, in amphibians, vertebrae are Procellus, Opisthocoelus and Amphicoelus. It means Procellus, vertebrae, is the centrum. Centrum or body. Centrum has, it is neural canal. Neural canal. These are the neural arches. Neural arches. This is centrum or body. Centrum is centrum. Centrum anterior region. Anterior. This is posterior region. Posterior region. The anterior region of centrum is concave. This is concave. Anterior region of centrum is concave is called procellus. In procellus, anterior region of the centrum is concave. This is procellus. Procellus present in neurons. It means frogs. Frogs contain procellus. Opisthocoelus. Opisthocoelus means, opistho means opposite. Opistho means opposite. This is anterior end. This is posterior end. In Opisthocoelus, the posterior centrum is concave. Posterior centrum is concave and anterior region is convex. It is called Opisthocoelus. The posterior region of the centrum is concave in Opisthocoelus. Anterior region is concave in Procellus. Opisthocoelus present in the urodela. Amphicoelus. Both anterior and posterior region of the centrum has concave shape. Anterior concave and posterior concave. So this is called amphicoelus. Amphi means both. Amphicoelus. It is present in apoda. These are the vertebrate types. Vertebrate centrum has Procellus, Opisthocoelus, Amphicoelus in different organisms of the amphibians. Next, sternum. Sternum first appears in amphibians. Sternum first appears in the amphibians. Limbs. Limbs are two pairs, unequal limbs. unequal limbs, and pentadactylic. Pentadactylic limbs. Pentadactylic means each limb has 5 digits. Each limb has 5 digits. So, pentadactylic limb. Next, in apoda. Apoda, limbs are absent. In apoda, limbs are absent. Next, digestive system. Mouth is large. Mouth is large. Dentition. Dentition is acrodont, polyphyodont, and homodont. Homodont dentition. Next, respiratory system. In amphibians, the principal respiratory organ is skin. Principal respiratory organ is skin. Next, buccopharyngeal cavity. Buccopharyngeal cavity. Lungs. Principal respiratory organ in amphibians are skin. Buccopharyngeal cavity and the lungs also involved in the exchange of gases. Next, circulatory system. Heart is three-chambered heart. Three-chambered heart, 2 atria and 1 ventricle. Sinus venosus and conus arteriosus. Sinus venosus and conus arteriosus are present. Next, carotid, systemic and pulmocutaneous arteries are present. Next, renal portal system and hepatic portal system. Two are present. Hepatic portal system and renal portal system are present in amphibians. Renal portal system means the special connections between the lower regions of the body and the kidney. The special venous connection between the lower region of the body and the kidney is called renal portal system, and the special venous connection between intestine and liver is called hepatic portal system. The blood RBC is oval and nucleated. RBC present in amphibians. Largest RBC present in Amphiuma. Excretory system. Kidneys are mesonephric kidneys. Mesonephric kidneys are present in amphibians. These are ureotelic organisms. These organisms excrete urea. So these are called ureotelic organisms. Next, nervous system. Meninges. Brain is covered by 2 layers. Outer pyometer, dura mater. They are the meninges of the brain. Next, sense organs. sense organs are present. Columella oris. Columella oris present in the ear. This is the ear ossicle. Single ear ossicle present in the ears. Single ear ossicle is columella oris. Columella oris. Next, tympanum. Tympanum, lacrimal gland. Harderian glands. Tympanum, lacrimal glands and Harderian glands are first present in amphibians. First present in amphibians. Next, reproductive system. These are unisexual organisms. Unisexual organisms. Fertilization is mostly external fertilization. External fertilization. Development be direct or indirect. Development be direct or indirect. Examples of amphibians: Bufo, commonly called toads; Hyla, tree frog. Next, Salamandra, salamanders; Ichthyophis, limbless amphibians. These are blind worms. Next, Rhacophorus, flying frog. Some organism shows neoteny. Neoteny. Neoteny means the adults shows larval characters. Adult has the retains of larval characters in the adults. It means adults contain larval characters. This is called neoteny. Necturus, example. Necturus. Necturus commonly called mud poppy. Mud poppy or water dog. Necturus shows neoteny. Neoteny means adults has larval characters. Larval characters. This is called neoteny. Neoteny means examples: Necturus, commonly called mud poppy or water dog.